Hi and welcome to this video on green screen editing within Video Motion Pro. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from any green screen video. Now I've got some green screen footage of a man on camera over here. I'm just going to drag it down onto the timeline like so. And what I'm also going to do is select this video background that I've got so that when I remove the green from this green screen video, I have a really nice looking video background below that. So what I'm going to do first of all is cut off this first part of this video, as he's not speaking really over here, and it starts the video about here. So I'm going to split that off, and then I'm going to hold down FN delete because I'm on a Mac, and just delete that first part. Then I'm going to drag this video track to the start of the video. Cool, so it's looking good. Now all you need to do to edit the green screen is make sure to go to the green screen tab over here, select your green screen track by clicking on the green screen track so it's highlighted. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click on Get Preview. Great. So as you can see, instantly I removed all the green from this video. Now what you need to do is make sure that you play around with these tolerance and the softness settings. The softness basically enables you to have a softer cut on the actual outline of the person that you're cutting out, or the object that you're cutting out with the green screen. So you can go ahead and increase the softness and click on Apply Color, and that will make it more softer over here, as you can see. You can also go ahead and play with the tolerance. The tolerance means the amount of cut that it goes close to the edges. So if you bring it up, it's going to come close to the edges and remove more of the green. So if I click on Apply Color, you can see that it's going a little bit too much. So if I go and bring that back down to about 75, let's have a look at that. That's looking quite good. And the real test is when you go ahead and play it and see what it looks like.
I would like to take you through the FY12.
Okay, great. So that's looking really good. Now some things you can do is with the video you can go ahead and maybe make it a little bit smaller. Depending on your footage that you have in the background, you can go ahead and play around with that. Maybe move him more on the side, or maybe make him a little bit bigger actually. Just drag him up. And you can play around with this and play around with these settings. So what I'm also going to do, just for this quick video, I'm going to go to the media folder, grab my audio backing track and place it in there. I'll cut off that first part by simply selecting that and cutting it. Going to the start, and I'm going to go ahead and decrease the audio volume to maybe about 35 or maybe about 39, I'd say, or 40. That's looking good. Now when I play this video, you have a really nice audio backing track at the video.
Through the FY12 Global Strategy, which we developed at the Global Strategy Workshop. The FY12 Global Strategy is based on our three main areas of focus: improve, service.
So as you can see, that's how you go ahead and do green screen editing. And green screen editing is really fun to do. You can go ahead and play around with different types of media, like for example, on a computer, I've got a video clip of a airplane. So if I drag that in over here, whoops, let's grab this, drag it into the media folder. If I just drag and drop this down on the timeline, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this first part off because it's got like black for the beginning intro. Okay, from about there, let's just go ahead and cut that off, and I'll drag this over. And what I'm going to do is go to the green screen tab again. I'll select my track, and what you can also do is go ahead and select this color picker and select the color like so, then click on Apply Color, and you can see it instantly removes the green. And as you can see, we still have some green on the outlines of this video. So what I would do is go and increase the tolerance so that it cuts even close to the edges, and I'll go ahead and increase it a little bit more and actually decrease the softness as well. Okay, so it's looking even better. Bring down the softness a bit more, maybe a little bit more, and increase the tolerance a bit more as well, maybe to 94. And as you can see, it's looking quite good now. So if I go and bring in another video background, or maybe I'll just use the same one as I had before, just place it behind there. And as you can see, you probably would want to go ahead and actually get some better background footage, but that looks more relevant to this video. So maybe I'll bring this up over here. It's like a toy plane, I guess. And as you can see, if I play this through, we have our green screen footage edited within Video Motion Pro. And you can grab like green screen footage from YouTube and different types of video sites, as long as you have the license for that, and go ahead and make some really fun looking videos with this green screen editing feature.